Apologies, something I forgot to show you earlier, which was an intentional mistake, and I forgot to refer back to it, is we had our database open here, right? So we know it works. So if I go to my database here now, and I type in my author, Stephen King, you know, it comes up with two searches. Right, now what happens is if I close this, and I try to run this search again, we may encounter a problem. Okay, so I'm going to search for Stephen King, and oh, it's come back and says it found it. Right, so what I found earlier was there was a problem that I needed to put R+ here. Okay, so then that way, if the database was shut, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to kill this because it's the same program. Let's try this again. Yeah, it still does it, it still finds it, but put in R+ just to be on the safe side. Okay, moving on. Right, what we need to do now is we need to add another function. So if you look on the PRM here, okay, it says the task for an algorithm needs to be made. It says additional information needs to be saved for each book, such as publication date. An additional task is needed to create a new file from the original file, and this will prompt the user to put in additional information into each book. Okay, consider possible validation for the additional information. Right, so what I'm going to do is firstly I'm going to show you, well, the only thing I'm going to show you is how to make a file. Right, so firstly you're going to need to update your menu. So I've updated mine to say press free to update existing book entries. Okay, but what I haven't done is added it to the menu here. So I'm just going to add an elif, and I'm going to call it new choice equal to free, and I'm going to click. Okay. Right. So now F, and I'm going to call it update, as we know. And what I'm going to do is, so the idea is that we've got to be able to create this file. Now, there's a great thing in the library called Chatil. Okay, so what Chatil does is that it helps us copy files using literally 2 lines of code. So you know from previous lessons that there's R+, and you know there's W to write a file. But what we want to do is we want to duplicate the file that we've got exactly. So, and this is so easy. I'm not going to show you any other way because this is the easiest way to do it. So using Chatil, dot copy. Right, you tell it what file you want to copy. So BSEC library file, okay, .txt, and I want it to duplicate, and a new duplication, I want it to be called new entries. Okay, .txt. Right, there we go. And now when I run this code, okay, and I select that menu choice, which is number 3, and then I'm going to open up my task 3 for you. So run menu, and I'll open up my task 3. So you can see my task 3 has just got 2 files in it, and that's it. Okay, I'll put it up here, and I'll move this one down here, and you're going to see it in front of your eyes. So 3, press enter, and there we go, it's made it. Okay, and then when I open it up, it's an exact duplicate, and that is all you need to do for that one so far. So now it's up to you as an extension to figure out how to prompt the user to put additional information in for each book, and then consider possible validations for additional information. Okay.